From conception, we decided that we were going to focus on the things that really were going to integrate this unit to make it better for patients. And so we focused on new technology. Of course, every new surgical center is going to be interested in technology. But what we really wanted was to make the patient experience and the patient family experience better. And in particular, we wanted to improve patient safety in the operating room.
The TriStar Centennial Advanced Joint Replacement Institute is really a hospital within a hospital here at Centennial Medical Center. It's a specific unit separate from the rest of the hospital, solely focused in providing care with patients having joint replacement surgery.
The patient that's taken care of at the TriStar Advanced Total Joint Replacement Institute will be taken care of entirely in one area. They'll do all their pre-admission testing, all their preoperative work on the same floor that they have their surgery and have their recovery. They are taken care of entirely in one area of the hospital dedicated to the total joint patient. The families of a patient being taken care of at the Total Joint Replacement Institute are in a very comfortable preoperative holding area. They're in a very comfortable area for a waiting room during the time of the patient's surgery. They have a free coffee bar and they have fireplaces and a very comfortable waiting area.
We perform the highest number of these procedures anywhere in the region, and there are plenty of scientific studies showing that high-volume institutions provide patients with better outcomes. If I were a referring physician, my number one priority to my patient would be that I sent them somewhere where they were going to have an excellent outcome.
I'm most excited about the care that the patient will be provided. A brand new, clean facility, best new equipment, best staff, all specifically dedicated to the total joint patient.
Although this is the opening of the TriStar Centennial Advanced Joint Replacement Institute, there's been a lot of work that's been going on for several years to put the program together. The opening of the space is just the final step in several years of work in putting together essentially a hospital within the hospital where we're all experts in taking care of these patients. And I think the space is beautiful, but it really is a tribute to the amount of work and the excellent program that we have developed over the past several years.
We are so focused. This is all we do. Everything we need to do to take care of their problem is here. The best technology, the best staff, and a modern, convenient, efficient, and comfortable environment. To my thought, why would you go anywhere else?